Alright, I figured this is as good a time as any to do a bit of video blogging on the way. Right now it's 9:30 at night and it's pouring. It's been actually pouring here since about 6 o'clock. At 5 o'clock, let me start over. At noon, there were some gray clouds in the north. About 2 o'clock, there were some pretty dark clouds to the north now. 5 o'clock, holy crap, look at those clouds. Suddenly the gray turned to kind of an orangish hue. And, yeah, that wasn't cool. It looked neat, but that's the whole Han said, oh no, it's going to get really stormy. Then 6 o'clock, holy fuck, it's pouring down. And maybe you can hear me, maybe you can't, I don't know, because the rain's pretty damn loud right now. But, yeah, it's been just coming down in barrels of rain, if that's an expression. How much did it rain?
It rained barrels.
Barrels?
Yes, barrels.
So it can't rain cats and dogs?
No. Barrels.
Okay. And now I'm on my way home because, yeah, that's it. I went to a little bit of Folk Fest today. That wasn't too bad. Saw a friend of mine from online. Holy fuck, that's blonde lightning. Oh, that's another thing. I stepped out of my car right at home. Kaboom! What the fuck was that? Well, it was a big-ass lightning bolt, which, I didn't really think was very cool. And why the fuck is this douche slowing down? What the fuck's wrong with you people? It's rain, it's not ice storm, retard. Ach, ty suszka! Ty suszka, pocałuj moją saraku! Ty kurka jemno! That's what oh, fuck you! You bastard.
Oh, that's it. You going down, baby.
Alright, I'm going over here, God. I'd like visibility, please. Thank you. Okay, that's interesting, because it's raining now, and I can still see a fair amount of downtown, which signifies to me that it's not raining very much there. Whoa! Oh, I turned my head just in time to catch that one. Look to my left, bolt. Oh, huge! Ginormous! So, yeah. Anyhow, here we go for downtown. And, oh, I went to see Superbad today. Funny movie. It had its moments. It wasn't as hilarious as I had kind of hoped it would be, like Knocked Up or 40-Year-Old Virgin, but it had its moments. I'll give it that. Would I see it again? If someone else pays it? Yeah, definitely. Would I pay the $10 again to see it? No. No. I'm sorry, I wouldn't. It wasn't that good. The funniest part, call me what you will, but the funniest part, in my opinion, was at the very end, because there was a revelation about drawing penises. Yeah, go figure. He's drawing penises. And at the very end, there's all these sketches of all these penises in different formations, and there's tanks that are... There's these big tanks rolling down Tiananmen Square and a big penis standing in the way of them. Then there's the Saudi Arabian penis with the big sheep dress-up stuff. And oh my god. And it was brought up to me. You know, pause. What's that? What, all these penises? Yeah, what's that? Think about who had to draw all these. Yeah. How do you come up with stuff like this? Tanks that are penises? The great chic penis?
God penis. Zilla.
And so on and so forth. Oh, this little cobalt wants to try and get ahead of me. Sorry, buddy, you're not going to happen like that. Wow, that's even more lightning and jab stuff. Alright, well, another reason I'm filming this is just in case some douchebag tries to say, hey, I'm going to back up and hit pause. Sorry. Well, I suddenly have it on videotape. It's nice to see you too, sir. Oh, well, would you look at that? Yes, sir. Your Honor, Exhibit A. The second driver is a douche. Go figure. Of course, then again, most drivers from this city are, so... Holy shit! Even if I film it there, it's not going to show so dark for the camera, but the front end of a car is underwater in the very corner of the street. That's how much rain we've had. I saw the water flowing out, not just kind of dripping out or flowing. I saw this water blowing out of the side, not manhole, but the side drainage. Like, holy shit, that's a lot of water. Anyhow, I'm going to quit talking and just
let the good times roll, or whatever you want to say.